Hey, Tim Cray here with Expert Power Wash in Portland, Oregon. Hey, we're going to get the SkyVac today. We've been waiting for a week and very excited to get this thing going and getting it into operation. What do you think, buddy? You like it? All right, let's get on the road. Let's go get it. All right, here it is, SkyVac. Went and picked it up from the shipper today. It looks like they did a fantastic job packing this all up. So excited to get this thing opened up and see what this thing looks like. So thank you, SkyVac. Let's take a look and see what we got. Over this way. All right. Here's some tools. That's pretty nice. Here it is. Let's see if we can roll this thing out of here. SkyVac. I believe the hose is inside the vacuum here. And so we got this all unpacked. It looks great, no damage. Shippers did a great job. All right, let's take a look in the other box. Let's see what this one is. This is probably going to be the light pulls. All right, what do we got here? That's a nice bag. SkyVac. Let's take a look inside and see what we got. Looks like a nice quality bag. Everything's heavy duty. Got a huge zipper on here. Let's see. Yep, there's all the light pulls. Just curious to see. Wow, these things are beyond light. You have to feel one of these, but there's a light pull. I can't even begin to explain how light even just this one pull is. These things are going to be a breeze to work with. So Well, looks like I got a little bit of a mess to get cleaned up. I'll give you guys some more information on this once I get back from a little trip and get this thing running. But that's the SkyVac. Looking forward to getting it running, and I'll do a test video for you guys here soon. So, all right, have a good day.